Nangangamba ka rin ba na mahintulad sa kanya? Dahil may AFAM ka at may ka-LDR? So, I have 4 tips to know your man or to know your ka-LDR. First tips is to know his family. Knowing his family background, his parents, his brother or sister, you will know him. You will know how he treated his family. Second, knowing his workplace, his work, and his co-worker define him. When you don't know how to find that background, so you can search in Google. And based in my part, I already know his family because he introduced me to his family. But it's not like that. I want to know him more. So I search or I browse in Google. So I found the real name of his mother and his brother and everything in his family. Second, I also do search in Google about his work, the place he worked, workplace, and the boss, and even his co-worker. I already know the name of his co-worker. It's be good to know the man you've been dating or the man you've been in LDR so that you will know him well. Third is knowing his hospital background. In knowing his hospital background or even in medical background, you will know that person. What if this person you've been dating is having an HIV or AIDS or any transmitting disease? We need to be vigilant for ourselves. We need to have a protection to ourselves, especially in these cases. You know this. I've been also watching this 90 days in dating. It is a prevention for us to be safe and to know his medical background so that we'll be safe and there's nothing to be afraid of. Lastly, fourth is to know the person you've been dating, to know the attitude, his weakness or his strength, even the don'ts and don't want, things he wanted and the things he don't like. So that you will know him better. You will know what his attitude, you will know his reaction to this situation or to this topic. Alright? To know him better is to know the person around him and to know how he lived his life. Use your dating stage to know the person you've been talking to know him better, to know him, especially hindi natin alam if psychotic ba yung dinedate natin, kung saan niya nanggaling. Be cautious in dating online, and I hope you will find your happily ever after.